Our NSF ETO approved 3-door stainless steel freezer. First off, I'll show you the overall dimensions. We have 82¼ inches. For the height with caster wheels, we have 80 inches. And the depth, we have 32¾ inches. Power switch, Dixel analog controller for temperature control settings, and 110 and 120 voltage. Included will be 12 adjustable shelves, 4 for each compartment. Interior dimensions, depth from the back to the front of the shelf will be 24¾ inches, and the height from the bottom to the top of the track will be 49 inches. And last but not least, interior length. We have 76¾ inches. Our NSF ETO approved 3-door stainless steel freezer. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website. Thank you.